Students, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to English class. I am Yogita Joshi, your presenter, working as lecturer in English at Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Panibaga, District Mansa. Dear students, this is part 2 of Change the Voice. In part 1, we have seen the voice change of indefinite tenses. Now, in this part 2, first of all, I will help you to solve an unsolved exercise out of your grammar book. And after that, we'll see the voice change of continuous tenses. Let's start. This is exercise number 2 from your grammar book and it is an unsolved exercise. ਬੱਚਿਓ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਸ ਜਮਾਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗ੍ਰਾਮਰ ਦੀ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਚੇਂਜ ਦ ਵੌਇਸ ਦੀ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਨੰਬਰ 1 He reviews his work. Dear students, in voice change, you have to identify subject, verb, object and the tense. So here subject is he, verb is reviews and object is his work. So change voice will have object in the beginning. That is, the sentence will become his work is reviewed by him. Because here verb is reviews, it means it is present indefinite. So in passive voice we'll use is, am, are with third form of the verb. ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਇਹ ਵਾਕ present indefinite ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਲਈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਪੈਸਿਵ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ is, am, are ਨਾਲ third form ਲਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ. So this sentence is, I repeat for you, he reviews his work, passive, his work is reviewed by him. Second, they revise their lesson. They revise their lessons. Subject is they. Verb is revise. Object is their lessons. So it is also present indefinite. Now object their lessons will come in the beginning and we'll use is, am, are due to its tense, then third form and they will become them at the end. They revise their lessons. Passive voice is, their lessons are revised by them. Easy? Okay. Number 3. She does not tell stories. Does not means present indefinite tense. So in passive we will not use do or does. We'll cut do or does and replace it by is, am or are. ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ do not ਜਾਂ does not ਵਾਲੇ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਪੈਸਿਵ ਵੌਇਸ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲੱਗਿਆਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ do does ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ is, am, are ਲਾ ਦਿਓਗੇ ਤੇ not ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤਾਂ not ਹੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ. So the sentence is, she does not tell stories. She is subject. Does is helping verb. Not is a negative word. Tell is a verb. And stories is object. She does not tell stories. Passive is, stories are not told by her. Sentence number 4. Do you favor him? So it is an interrogative sentence. ਬੱਚਿਓ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨਵਾਚਕ ਵਾਕ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਵਰਬ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ do does ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ is, am, are ਲਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ. Do you favor him? Him will become active and when we activate him it becomes he. And the passive of you is you. So for sentence do you favor him, the right answer is Is he favored by you? Very good. Now sentence number 5. I bought a new car. Here subject is I, verb is second form of verb bought, and object is a new car. So second form tells us that it is past indefinite. I bought a new car. Passive voice is a new car was bought by me. You must be remembering that for past indefinite we use was and were with third form in the passive voice. ਬੱਚਿਓ ਜਦੋਂ verb ਦੀ ਦੂਜੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਮਿਲੇ past indefinite ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਦੂਜੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਮਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ passive voice ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ was ਜਾਂ were ਦੇ ਨਾਲ third form ਲਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ। Okay, next sentence. He always helped the poor. He always helped the poor. He is a subject. Always is a determiner. Helped is a verb. The poor is object. So the passive voice is the poor were always helped by him. The poor is plural here. ਬੱਚਿਓ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਅਰ ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦ ਪੂਅਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਗਰੀਬਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇਸ ਲਈ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਵਰਡ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ। He always helped the poor. The poor were always helped by him. Understood? Number 7. The boys did not make a lot of noise. The boys is subject. Did not helping verb and negative. Make verb. A lot of noise is object. So the passive becomes a lot of noise was not made by the boys. Dear students, when we have did not in passive we use was not or were not. ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ past indefinite ਦਾ ਨਕਾਰਾਤਮਕ ਵਾਕ ਮਿਲੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ did not ਨਾਲ first form ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ passive ਵਿੱਚ was were ਨਾਲ third form ਲਾ ਦਿਓਗੇ। The boys did not make a lot of noise. A lot of noise was not made by the boys. Number 8. Did he visit you? So it is an interrogative sentence of past indefinite. For did, we will use was or were in passive. Subject is he, object is you. When you make you active, it remains you. And when you make he passive, it becomes him. Did he visit you? Passive voices. Were you visited by him? ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਓ you ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ were ਲਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ was you ਲਾਓਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਗਲਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ। Did he visit you? Were you visited by him? Easy? See next. Number 9. I shall write a letter. I is subject, shall helping verb, write verb, a letter object. I shall write a letter. Passive voice is a letter will be written by me. Last sentence is they will read the Ramayana. Subject is they, will helping verb, read first form of verb, object is the Ramayana. They will read the Ramayana. The Ramayana will be read by them. So ਬੱਚਿਓ ਇਹ ਸੀ future indefinite ਦੇ ਦੋ sentence. Future indefinite ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ will or shall ਦੇ ਨਾਲ first form ਲੱਗੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ passive ਵਿੱਚ will be, shall be ਦੇ ਨਾਲ third form ਲਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ। So this was a quick solution of second unsolved exercise. Now in today's session, we will see the voice change of continuous tenses. First of all, present continuous. First of all, I will tell you the examples. Then I will tell you about the sentence structure. First example, I am buying a book. In this sentence, we use is MR, first form of the verb, and ing. So this is present continuous tense. I am not buying a book. This is negative sentence of present continuous. Am I buying a book? This is interrogative sentence of present continuous. Am I not buying a book? This is negative interrogative of present continuous sentence. So when we change the voice of present continuous, we use being and third form. Is MR remains the same, and the position of subject and object, they will change as we changed in other tenses. So the first sentence, I am buying a book. The passive is a book is being bought by me. ਤਾਂ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਅਸ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ is MR ਨਾਲ ਵਰਬ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਨਾਲ ing ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਸਿਵ 'ਚ ਬਦਲੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ is MR ਨਾਲ being ਲਾ ਕੇ ਥਰਡ ਫਾਰਮ ਲਾ ਦਿਓਗੇ। ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਤੇ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਥਿਤੀਆਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਬਦਲਣਗੀਆਂ। ਈਜ਼ੀ? Let's see one more example. We are selling mangoes. What is subject? We. Are is helping verb. Selling verb. And what are mangoes? Object. We are selling mangoes. So in passive voice we'll start the sentence with mangoes. And what will we use with mangoes? Is M or R? Very good. R. Mangoes are being sold by us. We are selling mangoes. Mangoes are being sold by us. So note down the sentence structure for this. In active voice, subject plus is am are plus first form of the verb plus ing and object. In passive voice, object will be in the beginning, then is am are plus being plus third form of the verb plus by and subject will come at the end. Dear students, always keep in mind that for passive voice we will always use the third form of the verb. Okay? See the next example. The hunter was not killing the birds. Here is MR is replaced by was were. So it becomes past continuous. And the voice will be changed as it is without using was or were. We can not change the voice. So once again we'll use was or were, but we will add being to it followed by third form of the verb. So present continuous ਅਤੇ past continuous 'ਚ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਫਰਕ ਹੈ। is MR present continuous 'ਚ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ was were past continuous 'ਚ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। past continuous ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ was were ਨਾਲ being ਲਾ ਕੇ third form ਲਾ ਕੇ passive voice ਬਣਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਆਓ ਇਸੇ ਉਦਾਹਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। The hunter was not killing the birds. Subject the hunter. Was helping verb. Not negative word. Killing verb. The birds object. The hunter was not killing the birds. The birds were not being killed by the hunter. The birds were not being killed by the hunter. Easy? क्योंकि birds ज़्यादा ने उन्हां नाल word लग्या उस तो बाद being और killed लग गया और the hunter जो subject सी वो end ते चला गया. The hunter was not killing the birds were not being killed by the hunter. Next, did he help you? So here did in the beginning, but in this case it is a twist that is only to check your attention. It is past indefinite. Please students, before I teach you some more sentences, tell me what do we use when we replace did? Yes? Yes. By removing did we use was or were because it is past indefinite. Did he help you? Passive voice is were you helped by him? Okay, good. One more question for you. You should try to identify the tense, subject, object and change the voice. Ready? The sentence is he telling a story? Try to make passive voice. Is he telling a story? Yes, it is an interrogative sentence, a question. Is helping verb. He is subject. Telling verb. A story object. So in this case, the sentence in the passive voice will start with is, am or are. And you must have identified the tense. It is present continuous. Is, am, are, first form ing. Present continuous. Is he telling a story? What is the passive voice? Is a story being told by him? So प्यारे बच्चों, ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ is, am, are ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ 'ਚ verb ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਨਾਲ ing ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ present continuous ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਉਸ ਦੀ passive voice ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ is, am, are ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ subject ਲਾ ਕੇ being ਲਾ ਕੇ third form ਲਾ ਕੇ by ਅਤੇ object ਲਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ. So the sentence structure for interrogative sentence in present continuous or past continuous is helping verb plus subject plus first form plus ing plus object and question mark at the end. And in the passive voice, helping verb plus object plus being plus third form plus by plus subject at the end. So this was all about the change of voice in case of present continuous and past continuous. But what happens in case of future continuous? Dear students, there is no voice change for future continuous. प्यारे बच्चों, future continuous tense ਲਈ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ voice change ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੋ ਹੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ing ਵਾਲੇ sentence ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਨ, present continuous ਜਾਂ past continuous. But we have a different case which is not future continuous but it is continuation of the present. For example, I am going to buy a new car. So in this case, how do we change the voice? I am going to buy a new car. I subject, am helping verb, going to is progressive present, then buy verb, a new car object. It will be changed. A new car is going to be bought by me. So अगर is going to ਨਾਲ first form ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ is going to be ਦੇ ਨਾਲ third form ਲਾ ਦਿਓਗੇ. Subject ਤੇ object ਦੀਆਂ positions ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਬਦਲਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿਣਗੀਆਂ. This was all about change of voice in continuous tenses. Thank you so much, dear students, for patient listening. Have a nice day.